What's up, world? This is Mark Marcel, entering my album into the category for the best spoken word poetry album in the Grammys. The piece you're about to hear right now is called 14 Billion Years. It was inspired because I wanted to write a poem talking about how your present situation is actually connected to the creation of the Big Bang, of life. And I wanted to show how everything had to be attached and be coordinated and be connected in order for your present moment to be what it is and how you are related to everything. Hope you enjoy the work.
You know, I appreciate all the love that I was receiving. I can read, I can see what people are saying. You know, people are looking forward to me being here. But you don't understand, well, some you may understand, but what a lot of people don't understand is that I am a reflection of what you allow me to be. I'm nothing without you. I would not, like, me doing poetry, that's cool, that's great. I wouldn't have a venue if people didn't put this on. I didn't put this on. You know what I'm saying? So I am a reflection. I'm only standing on shoulders of giants. So I appreciate everybody involved to make this happen. And I want to thank you guys for being here. And I dedicate this poem to you, to everyone in here, and you'll see what I mean.
Let's go.
It took 14 billion years to create you. 14 billion years for the formation of the universe to come to the conclusion that right now, at this very moment, was the perfect time for it to catch its breath and have the experience of a lifetime walking in your shoes. It took the heat of 10 trillion suns, compacted into something as small as an electron, to erupt with an explosion so strong that it could create time. And within a fraction of a second, nearly expanded to the size it is now for you to be here. It took a universe that once didn't hold anything in it, only ideas and desires, wants and wishes. It just wanted to exist, so it did. So much for bright ideas. Took roughly 380,000 years for the creation of the first hydrogen atom. Another million years later, gravity began to form, carbon, oxygen, and stars from clouds of gases. And you come from these ashes. The ashes of the universe, the stuff stars are made of. And it took 14 billion years to get you here. 14 billion years for the smoke to clear just so the stars could pave way for your arrival. You used to travel through space at 150,000 miles per hour as dark matter until you showed up as planets and moons, mountains, oceans, valleys, catastrophes, and natural disasters. Took Earth 4.5 billion years before Homo sapiens asked the question, who am I? So they became hunter-gatherers. And it was there when language was first spoken by fools. And man began to pray to you over their food. You see, you just wanted to exist. You never thought of this idea of a God until that's how man defines you. And it took natives and immigrants, those that would explore the land and those who would conquer it. It took thousands of years of religions, thousands of years of myths, thousands of years of lies and mysteries, artifacts, ancient cities, pyramids, uprisings, slaveries, and genocide. This is 14 billion years in the making. This is exactly how wine tastes when it has the time to age. No pain, no gain. All good things come to those that wait. So don't tell me you don't deserve it. Complain about your imperfections when your body is made up of the universe. That don't even make sense. Who's convinced you of this? Who's called your birthmark blemishes? There are no mistakes. Did I mention that it took 14 billion years for you to correct? How are you not in awe of this? Of you, that you actually exist? Scientists and astrophysicists agree you are magnificent. A fractal full of sacred geometry, a golden ratio. The substance of your very being still continues on from an event that took place over 14 billion years ago. You are energy. You are a battery that keeps going and going and going and going and going, and there is no stopping you. You are running without brakes, standing on a planet spinning at 1,000 miles per hour. There is nothing normal about this. You are astonishing. You are art. You are music. Perhaps you even dance to the sounds of yourself as the sun sets in Egypt, swim in the Red Sea, climb a pyramid in Mexico, write a poem on the shores of California. This is living. This is why you are here, to become a piece of art that's recited on stage. Nothing, BYOB, nothing is short of your imagination. If there's something more beautiful than this, I bet my life on it. You're going to create it. Because you have 14 billion years of miracles, 14 billion years of wonders and phenomenons, and whatever it is that you decide, you'll have the backing of 14 billion years of creation behind it. So be magnificent, be whatever it is, the impossible, the without a shadow of a doubt. You are the universe looking back on itself. Yes. 14 billion years ago, you envisioned this moment. Look at you now. More amazing than what you were yesterday, and sure to evolve into something greater tomorrow. You've waited 14 billion years for this, knowing the chance to experience this exceeds all else. So live it, because it's here and it's yours. The opportunity to be the greatest version of yourself. Thank you.